Ethereum cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $1,673.15 a coin in a kind of significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, $1,664.87, $1,701.70, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, $1,680.99 in an unobtrusive way. The change truly was 7.84, 0.47%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ETH, which in every practical sense is very critical. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $1776, kind of greatest 1900, extremely least 1652 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, walk 16, cost $1915, in every practical sense, most extreme 2049. By and large least 1781 in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, cost $1957, all things considered, greatest 2094. By and large least 1820 in a for the most part significant manner. Ethereum gauge on Monday, walk 20, cost $1982, truly greatest 2121, beautiful least 1843 in a huge way. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $1841, really greatest 1970, especially least 1712 in a quite enormous way. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $1804, especially greatest 1930, most certainly least 1678, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost $1806, kind of greatest 1932, least 1680, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Friday, walk 24, cost $1803, especially greatest 1929, genuinely least 1677. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost $1801, kind of greatest 1927, extremely least 1675, which explicitly is very critical. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $1796, certainly most extreme 1922, by and large least 1670, which fundamentally is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $1721, truly greatest 1841, kind of least 1601, which basically shows that fundamentally reverse rate. United States dollars to ETH in an especially significant way. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, walk 30, cost $1704, greatest 1823, genuinely least 1585. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $1765, kind of greatest 1889, extremely least 1641, which generally is very critical. Ethereum gauge on Monday, April 3, cost $1736, beautiful most extreme 1858, genuinely least 1614. Or so they by and large thought. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $1727, sort of greatest 1848, extremely least 1606. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost $1777, most certainly greatest 1901, especially least 1653. Truly further appearance how the earlier day close, 1680.99, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $1762, by and large most extreme 1885, especially least 1639 amazingly. Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $1712, in every practical sense, most extreme 1832, least 1592 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $1726, especially greatest 1847, least 1605, which especially is genuinely huge. In about a month Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $1703, extremely greatest 1822, fundamentally least 1584, which sort of is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $1658, most certainly greatest 1774, all things considered, least 1542, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $1686, kind of greatest 1804, really least 1568, in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 0.5977 coins per $1,000, genuinely further appearance how Ethereum estimate on Thursday, walk 30, cost $17.04, greatest 1823. Beautiful least 1585 in an especially significant way. Today's reach, 0.5876 or so they thought. The past day's nearby, 0.5949. Which for the most part is very critical, change for now plus 0.0028, plus 0.47%, showing how today's reach, 0.5876 which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.563 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.605, sort of least 0.526, which explicitly is very critical. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.522 coins, essentially most extreme 0.561, really least 0.488, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.511 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.549. Sort of least 0.478 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 0.505 coins, certainly most extreme 0.543, sort of least 0.471, which fundamentally is very huge. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 0.543 coins, really greatest 0.584. Most certainly least 0.508, which in every practical sense, is very huge. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 0.554 coins, extremely greatest 0.596, certainly least 0.518, showing how Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $17.26, truly greatest 1847, truly least 1605 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost 0.554 coins, greatest 0.595, least 0.518, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Friday, walk 24, cost 0.555 coins, by and large greatest 0.596, lovely least 0.518 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, walk 27, cost 0.555 coins, sort of greatest 0.597, least 0.519 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 0.557 coins, for the most part greatest 0.599, beautiful least 0.520 in a significant way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge